Let's go. What is up? It's your boy Yz, aka Motor Bro. We're out here at the lot. We got homie killing it. We got other homies here on the KTM 69. Oh, he's trying to pick it up. Let's see it. Let's see the work. Okay, okay. Woo! Boys out here right here. The boys out here. Let's go. Yes, sir. Hey, that thing's hard to pick up.
A little bit.
A little bit.
I don't even live here, bro. So mine got a pipe.
Oh, this isn't your bike? Ah. Oh, it's his.
Yeah, I'm on my patient.
He be shredding. Hey, we outside, bro. Homie didn't really want to talk. But I really want to get this hand drag, bro. Like, I've never done a hand drag on a full-size bike, and I figured, you know, the two-stroke, it's light, it's got to be the easiest to do it. Yes, sir. So this is how we do it. We take the hand off and we lean back. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's a little rough. I'm gonna have my other camera out so you can see from, like, not my POV angle. It'll look a lot better. Yo, I'm telling y'all, I better get this hand drag today. Like, I've been wanting to do this hand drag for so long, and for some reason I feel like today is the day. Let's freaking get it, bro. Alright, hand drag. Oh my gosh, bro. Yo, y'all gotta see that. I gotta see the camera, bro. I gotta see the camera on this one. Hey. Alright, I need a scrape because I feel like, let's hit a scrape because I know if I scrape, my hand will touch. Alright, we scraped right there. A tiny little one. Second. Alright, we're in second. Third gear is like that gear, I feel like. Oh my gosh, bro. How did I not touch? I had to have touched on that one. Like, I'd have been at least so close because, dude, I feel like my bike is at 1 o'clock and it's nowhere, my hand, like, is too short. It's nowhere near touching the ground. Oh my god, bro, it felt so close. Bro, the only downfall of doing the hand drag on a two-stroke is I have my overflow going right to where my hand goes. So when I'm trying to hand drag, all the gas is just flying, hitting it. Let's go. That's what we talking about, bro. Yes, sir. Whipping that 390, dude. To be honest, I don't know if I've ever rode a 390 Duke. I feel like it's like a dirt bike that's turned into a street bike, if you feel me. Alright, so we're on a Duke 390. It has like a whole digital, I feel like I'm in a car, bro. Holy crap. We got this, we got this. It has ABS, bro. That's what I'm wondering, like. Bro, it's so weird. I'm gonna ask him about the ABS. Is the ABS always on? Yeah. You can't turn it off? Ah. This has gone through it. The steering is a little...
Yeah, they fell on it, I don't know.
Yeah, it's scary. When you come down from a wheelie, you gotta, like, turn the bar a little. Alright, let's hit a little top speed thing. We're flying, dog. every time I put it down, I have to put it crooked. That's the scariest thing ever. Holy crap. But we just did a little wheel ski. But dude, to be honest, the 390 has a lot more power than I expected. Third gear is a little not that torquey, but first and second is out here. Got everyone pulling up with a Banshee, okay. Rolling burnout. They're there. Reminds me of Real G Chris. Let's go, that was pretty sick. A little rolling Brenner. Let's go, bro. We out here, dude. It don't matter what bike you're on, bro. If you got that wheel up in the air, we enjoying it, dog. You should have brought your dirt bike out here today.
Isn't it Brad's birthday?
Who?
It's Brad's birthday.
Oh, I don't know. Is it?
Yeah, today's his birthday.
Oh shit, I didn't even know. Hey, happy birthday to Brad. Let's go. I guess it's Brad's birthday. Oh, what? You got some work? Woo! No, yeah. Oh my gosh, there's something just about the two-stroke, bro. Alright, we're gonna hit nice no hands. Woohoo! Yes, sir! Stand up. Let's go. We out here, bro. We are outside. So gang, I got a crazy story for you guys. Sorry to break up this drag video, but I gotta tell you guys this story, bro. So I'm at my crib with my homie Jesse. Next thing you know, there's helicopters that pull up to the crib, and I'm like, what did I do? You know, like, what happened? I figured it was for some wheelie stuff, but then again, I'm like, bro, like, I really don't be doing that much, you know, crazy stuff. So it turns out they're for my neighbor's house, and I guess my neighbor tried to kidnap a little kid, bro. So I guess I'd be living next to someone who tried to kidnap a kid or like lure a kid into their like car or something like that. And all these cops weren't even at my house. They're at the house next to mine, the neighbor's house, but they all parked in front of my house for some reason. So like I was so scared. I was like, oh my god, like, dude, like what's going on? What did I do? And then it turned out to be the neighbor who tried to lure a kid. So yeah, there's like news at my house, cops at my house, tons of crazy things. So I'm living next to a kidnapper, or attempted kidnapper in a sense, which is just wild. So I had to bring that story into this video because, like, I don't know, it's just crazy. Like, you never know who you're living next to, bro. Like, I thought he was just a normal ass dude, but he turned out to try to lure a kid to kidnap. At least that's what the news are saying. So yeah, crazy little story time. No hands, baby.